The add stock form is used to add the stock in the database. So before entering the stock, we have to customize the stock from here. Okay, as per our requirement. So I have customized this add stock form, and let's enter the data from this Excel sheet. Okay, so this is a standard format. If you use this standard format, it will be easier for you to enter the data from this Excel to the application. Okay, so let's start entering. I will discuss everything just after entering the details. Please hold on. Okay, and I will explain the Excel sheet also. So I have entered the header part. You can see this is the header part. The upper part is the header part. Okay, and this lower part is the footer part. So let's enter the footer part also. Okay, so this I have entered one footer. Okay, you can see there is two more footer. So for that we just simply have to click here and enter the second one. I am copy pasting everything. You can manually type. So this is not an issue. Okay, so I have entered this three footer section and one header section. Now what is header and footer? If you come here, you can see that the header section contain the item name, the water tank. Okay, so the stock is of 10 water tank which are of 1000 liter, 10 water tank which are of 500 liter, and 10 water tank which are of 1500 liter. Okay, and the buy price is also different. So we do not need to enter the same item multiple time. We just enter the in the header. We enter this is the water tank and this is the brand. Okay, and later in footer part we have separated the different properties of the same item. Okay, so this of this quantity and the location is this, the quantity is this, and the buy price is this, right? And in the header part, let's discuss the things. This is a subcategory. It is not mandatory, but this is recommended. This is the serial number, challan number, item name, which is mandatory. If you must have enter the item name. This is a brand. This is also not mandatory. We can see that in header there is the brand. That's why we have enabled this in the header. If you come here, you can see that there is in footer the brand is also mentioned. Okay, so you can also you can get the brand here also. This is the extended description. What is extended description? Using these properties, or application will create a description for this item. Okay, if you want some extended part of this description, uh, then you can use this here. We'll see this, understand this after creating this. Okay, this is the seller. This is also not optional. This is optional. This is a total quantity. You can see there is 10, 10 and 10. Okay, 30. So uh, that I have to enter here 30. This is the batch number and this is the batch buy price, means the total buy price of this. Now there are some important things. Suppose you have here enter 40. Okay, so based on this, sorry, based on this, and this is the total batch buy price, and this is the total quantity. So using this, the application will find out that what will be the per piece buy price of an item. Okay, after that, let's suppose you have entered 10, enter 10 here, enter 10 here, and enter 10 here. So the total is 30, and the you have entered that the actual total quantity is 40. So what our application will do, our application will set this 10 items of 1500 liter as 1500, same this 10 item of 500 liter as 500 by price, and this 10 item of 1000 liter as 1000 by price. Rest 10 items will be set as the buy price, which will be calculated after the this number to this number. Okay, so we will see this also later video. Let's create this first. Okay, and there is also a clear header. If you enable this after submitting, the form, everything will be cleared. If you disable this, this header will not be cleared, only the footer will be cleared. So let's make it enable for now and save. Are you sure you want to submit? Make it click and stock saved successfully. You have that, you see that everything is cleared. Now if you go to stock details, you can see there is 3 items. Okay, each of 10. This is the buy price we have entered. Okay, and this is the capacity. If you come here, you can see there is a description, right? So the description is, this is a water tank of Titaki brand, 15,000 liter, and this is the extended description which we have manually entered. If you do not enter any manual extended description, there will be nothing. There will be only these things. Okay, using this you can enter the stock. Okay. Let's come again to add stock, and so this is all about the add stock.